What is up, my dudes? Welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to start using custom app designs and custom app skins on your iPhone. Now, you do need to have iOS 14 or higher to start doing this, so make sure your iPhone is updated. Now, I use a gold and black theme on my iPhone, and I've actually designed my custom app skins for myself. If you like the vibe that I've got on my iPhone, you can actually buy them for like $5 on Etsy. I'll link it in the description if you are interested. Now, let's get into the specifics on how to actually do this, how to set custom app designs on your iPhone. First things first, grab your iPhone, start on your home screen. This is what mine looks like. These are the custom apps and the designs that I use. Again, you can find them on my Etsy and the link in the description if you're interested, but let's get specific step by step here on how to do this. First thing, pull down and search for shortcuts. Then once you've done that, hit that shortcuts app. It's gonna open up and show you all of the different shortcuts that you have. But we're gonna start fresh. We're gonna create a new one, so hit that plus button in the top right corner. Then you're gonna hit add action. There's a lot of stuff going on here, so what you're going to do is click on scripting, and then the first option should be open app. That is what you want to tap on. From here, scripting essentially just allows you to create a custom shortcut to open an app of your choosing. Now hit that choose word, and we are going to go with the first app that you see, Acorns. You can search for any app that you would like to open with this shortcut, but we're going to go with Acorns. Now that you have that plugged in and you see in the scripting section it says open Acorns. From there, you're going to hit the three dots toward the top right, and you're going to actually get into the design of this new app face that you're creating. Type a shortcut name. Let's go with Acorns, since that's the name of the actual app. That's what I want to appear at the bottom of the app. Once you've got the name in there, hit add to home screen. Hit that X button where it says new shortcut, so you can actually type in the name of your shortcut and your new app that you would like. Again, I want it to say Acorns, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now, you're going to see where this new shortcut kind of has that square where it's highlighted in blue, right where you just typed. Tap on that, and you're going to be able to select the app face that you would prefer. You can take a photo. If you want it to be something random that you're taking a photo of, that can be an option. You can choose a photo from your photo collection. That's usually the route I go. Or you can choose a file. So I am going to tap choose a photo, and that's going to open up my photos. I'm going to scroll through, and here are all of the apps that I have designed and saved in my photos. So what I'm gonna do is scroll through until I see Acorns. Awesome. That Acorn is the option that I want for my app, so I'm gonna add that in there, and then once you've selected it, you can see this is now what your app is going to look like. Once you're satisfied with the name and the image that's going to be the front of your app, hit add at the top right, and then it will be added to your home screen. You can just hit done, and you will be good to go. So when you swipe up and go to your home screen, you'll see that your new app is added to your home screen, and it's looking fresh. That is it. That is all you need to do, and you can repeat this process for how many ever apps you want to have on your home screen with the custom design that you so choose. There are tons of ways that you can do this. You can create your own. You can snag mine off Etsy. Plus, there are tons of cool app designs that other creators have made as well. I hope this helps. I hope this allows you to customize your iPhone a little bit more now that Apple are figuring out ways to let people customize it. And if I do say so myself, I love the vibe that I've got. That simple, minimalistic black and gold vibe, can't beat it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, I hope this helps. I will see you in another one very soon. Peace.